Hey, Nick with Zona Camp and Hike here. I want to do a quick install about the Wolfstorm awning I picked up for my 2020 Toyota 4Runner. It should be a pretty simple install, maybe 30-45 minutes of my time. To make it easier, I went ahead and picked up some awning mounting brackets from Sherpa for my Victory 4x4 roof rack. They fit at a bit of an angle, but they should help with the install process, make it real simple. I'll kind of go over this with you here in a moment. But Wolfstorm does supply some mounted brackets that can go on to a universal design of roof racks. As I mentioned before, I went ahead and picked up some of the Sherpa roof rack mounts, kind of make it easy for myself, something a little bit more sturdy, something a little bit more durable. Now the cool thing is here, what we're going to do is take these and we're going to flip this over. We take the end and we slide it in here. So we're going to do that with all of them. So now that I have all four in place, I'm going to slide them down to kind of where I think I'm going to need them to be, and then I'll have to do that adjustment manually. To help with sliding the roof rack on here, I'm going to go ahead and measure the distance on the racks that I've put up with the mounting brackets, and then I'm going to adjust these bolts here so I can line them up maybe a little bit easier. So now I'm grabbing a 13mm socket, and I'm going to go ahead and bolt them on. So I stand corrected, I'm going to get my 13mm wrench. Hey, there we go. It looks like I've got it all set up. So stay tuned for my review and deployment of the Wolfstorm awning.